At the early stage. Early stage. Hi guys, this is Vinny of Ventana Photography and we're playing this or that. Prime lens or zoom lens? At the early stage. At the early years ng pag-shoot ko ng weddings, prime lens. Super prime lens. But I'm using a zoom lens now. Mas versatile yung zoom lens. Kasi there are times na may location na not very prime lens friendly. Mas effective yung zoom lens. Mas marami ako nakukunan na moments. Tsaka, on the go siya. Manual or autofocus? Autofocus, guys. I'm so sorry. Autofocus is something na kailangan mo rin i-maximize since sobrang fast-paced ng mga nangyayari, especially sa wedding. I prefer autofocus, pero story-wise, I'll go for manual. Window seat or aisle seat? Aisle seat para malapit sa toilet. Canon or Sony? Canon or Sony? Canon or Sony? Canon. Sa photography, I recommend Canon. Personal preference. Pero sa video, Sony. Timeless or trendy? So, I'll go for timeless. Kasi sa wedding photography, when you look back on your photos, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, when you look back at it, classy pa rin. Yun. Instagram or TikTok? Noong pandemic, TikTok na. Pero now, Instagram. Instagram. RAW or JPEG? RAW. Kasi mas marami akong nako-correct or mas maraming play sa RAW. Candid or post? Candid. Candid. We'll go for candid. Post, nice to have. Not necessary, nice to have lang. Pero candid tells the story.